guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. For my current subscribers, I have missed you all so much, and if you are new around here, I've also missed you. Where have you been? Today I do have a haul video for you in regards to the pieces that I picked up in my latest Europe getaway. I mentioned to you guys that I did have a couple of wish list items that I wanted to go ahead and see if I found in the boutiques, due to the fact that the euro was at a all-time low ever since I've been shopping abroad anyways. It was basically at one point like 97 cents to the dollar. So it blew my mind at some of these purchases, and what a great deal. Of course, we are talking about luxury pieces here, but I was able to get a great price on these items. So I was very excited to be able to add some of those wish list items into my collection. Now, if you did follow along on my Instagram, I will put the handle somewhere here for you in case you don't follow me there. I did share with you guys a ton of stories just of what we did, what we ate, and I also shared with you some goodies that I had been eyeing as I went into some of the boutiques. Some of those goodies definitely came back home with me, and I am so excited to share them with you today. Now, there are two pieces that are not going to make it into this video. I do want to do a more in-depth video for those two pieces, and that would be two specific handbags that I did pick up. As of today, we're gonna get into some of the luxury pieces that I did add, and without further ado, I'm gonna start with the first one that I picked up. Also, really quick before we get into that, if you did catch my Pack With Me vlog, I mentioned how I had gotten these H&M shirts, and I just wanted to give you a quick update. I took two to the trip. I took the black and this striped one. This striped one I just washed, I hung to dry, and I just put it on for this video just because I wanted to be very casual. As you can see, I have my glasses on, I have my hair pulled back because I currently have it with a leave-in conditioner treatment, which is very much needed at this moment. So I just wanted to share that the shirt actually looks really nice. As I said, I did hang it dry. I didn't dry it in the machine. So I recommend that. It did not shrink. It fits me just as nicely as it fit me when I first tried it on. And you guys, they're like $7, $6. So if you're looking for a really good basic, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one linked down below in case you wanted to catch it. All right, so into the goodies. The first place that I stopped in was in Saint Laurent in Avenida de la Libertad in Lisbon, Portugal. It's a huge avenue that has a ton of designer stores. So we did stop in the boutique there. The lady that helped me was so nice. She was so patient. She brought out all the things that I wanted to see, and the main idea that I went into was in order to look at their Uptown clutch. I feel like the Uptown clutch would be a nice bag just to have when I don't want to carry too many things. So I went ahead and tried two that I had in mind. I tried on the Uptown, which was the one that I originally went in for, and then I tried this other one, which is one that has a wristlet option. I'm gonna get into the unboxing and then we'll discuss my thoughts in regards to both of those. So here we have what I picked up, and you probably can totally guess which one I opted for, but once I tried both and kind of played around, I definitely felt that this was the right choice. So I ended up picking the Uptown clutch in this beautiful nude caramel color. More like nude rather than caramel, because their caramel is a lot richer. But this color, you guys, is so stunning. I feel like it's perfect for a night out bag. I do have my Sen Rev in black, which I did an unboxing for that I got for my birthday this year. So I knew I didn't want to go for another black small clutch type bag. So I went in looking at this color. Now, the wristlet one that I tried on was in a beautiful taupey color, and you guys, I seriously thought I was going to take that one rather than this one. It does offer a little bit more space, I gotta say that. However, it is shorter. I'll make sure to insert those clips that I did while at the boutique. So when I put it under my arm, I just felt like it was a little bit more uncomfortable. Like there wasn't enough room for it to be there. I just felt like it was more of like a handheld type clutch. Well, I tried this one on and I just felt like this one was so nice. It's so sleek, and I did put my phone, a card holder, and two lipsticks while at the boutique, and everything just fit in very nicely. That's exactly what I probably would be carrying regardless when I take out this bag. I don't plan on putting in a pair of sunglasses or a mini pochette or another type of pouch or anything like that. So that's totally okay with me, and I knew that that's what I was going for. So I'm really glad that I was able to get this one and finally add it to my collection. All right, and then moving on to the next little piece that I picked up from Saint Laurent, and this one was totally unexpected. It is a piece that when I did see it come out on the website, I was totally drawn to. Let's get into it, and then I'll go into the backstory. So it does come in this cute little pouch, and it is their card holder slash wallet. I'm not too sure what the name is, but here you have it. Isn't this absolutely stunning? First of all, let's appreciate the color. Like, it is beautiful. This is the exact color that the other clutch was in, and I'm sure you can now see why I was totally tempted to add that one. It is like a beautiful kind of coffee-ish, nudish tone, but so unique at the same time. You guys know I don't carry a lot of cash, so this is perfect for my lifestyle. It has a total of two card holders on each side, and then it just has a really nice open space in the middle. It reminds me a lot of my Louis Vuitton Rosalie card holder, which pretty much has the same layout. However, this one does also have a slip pocket here on the back, which is really nice for maybe your go-to credit card or your ID, just to have easy access to. So I was so happy I was able to get this one and add it into my collection. I think I'm officially done with adding wallets, but then again, I say that all the time, and then here we are. I will be doing a updated VAT refund video in regards to the one that I did last year. I got some new information, so I definitely want to do a dedicated video to that. And then what I'll probably do is I'll just mention the price differences and how much I was able to save on all the purchases that I did, which are included in this haul, plus the other two videos that are coming as well. This is my second cup of coffee for the day. I've had to drink so much coffee when we got back from the trip. The jet lag has definitely taken a toll on me. Rudy is currently sick, so I'm hoping that I won't get sick. That's kind of why I wanted to film this video as soon as possible to get it up for you guys, in case I'm knocked down by whatever it is that he has. So I hope you're also enjoying a cup of coffee or tea or a glass of wine, whatever it is that you like to drink while we chat along in this video. All right, so moving on to another item that I absolutely knew I wanted to pick up while on this trip, and that is some Valentino shoes. Here are my Rockstud sandals, and they are in the shorter, chunkier heel, and I've raved about these shoes so much. I have done a little bit of a review in my designer shoe collection video, so I'll make sure to leave that link down below for you. But I knew that I wanted to add another pair of these in their beautiful caramel color that they have. I love that tone of like brownish color, so I wanted to go ahead and add those into my collection. However, I have visited a few boutiques in the past and asked for them, and some have told me that that was a seasonal color. Some have just told me that it's currently not in stock. So I was keeping my fingers crossed and my hopes high that I was gonna be able to find it while in Europe. And to my surprise, ta-da! Here they are. I was over the moon when the guy, there's a fuzzy, when the guy brought them out. We did get them in Spain. They did not have these anywhere in Portugal, so I was keeping my fingers crossed that I was going to be able to find them while we were in Spain. And we visited the boutique in Spain, and they did have them in stock. I was so excited. You guys, this color, I mean, it's stunning. It's stunning. It's more beautiful in person than it is on the website. I knew that I wanted to go for this heel height. I just loved using my pink ones so much that I knew I wanted to add them in the same exact heel. I feel like they're a lot more versatile in that sense because I can totally dress these up for dinner, but I can wear them during the day if maybe we're going to a brunch or a nice event during the day. I can also wear these, and I really love the tie on the ankle piece that it has. I just feel like it's perfect whether I want to wear dresses, skirts, and even if I opt to wear pants with them, I really feel like they look really nice. So I'm so happy. Like, I think Besides another purchase, I think this is the purchase that I was most excited about. I was just so over the moon that they had them in stock. All right, and then now I have sort of a reveal rather than an unboxing or unbagging, because I have already posted some pictures up on Instagram using her. But I cannot make a trip to Europe and not add a Longchamp, you guys. Longchamp for me is like my European souvenir. Every time that I make a trip out there, somehow or another, I end up adding a piece. And I've sold some of the ones that I've added over time. However, some have definitely still remained in my collection. And you guys know that I am currently obsessing over the small size. I'll make sure to link the videos that I have in regards to that bag down below. But I typically always added the medium or the large size into my collection, just because I used the bag as my personal item when traveling, or I used it for the office, so I wanted to have as much space as possible. But this year I added the small in the beautiful cognac color, and that size has absolutely won my heart. So here we have a new baby to the collection. I love this combination. I actually put a poll on Instagram while I was in the store, and I showed you guys two black options. So I showed you the original in the black color and then the Neo in the all black color. But as I thought about it while I was in the hotel room, I realized that I loved this navy blue combination, and I thought, since I'm loving the small so much, I want to go ahead and add it in that combination as well. So I opted for this one, and you guys, it went so good with all of the outfits that I had planned. I'll make sure to insert some pictures here, but go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. I went ahead and put a lot of like outfit inspo on all the pieces that I packed and I took on that trip. So I'm really glad that I was able to add this cutie into my collection. Now, really quick on a side note, I do have a little something for you guys. I am planning on doing a giveaway in some of my upcoming videos. So if you are new here, make sure that you subscribe so you can catch that video. And if you are an ongoing subscriber, you guys will have a chance to see that video as well and hopefully enter this little giveaway. It's something very, very small, but I just wanted to share my joy of all the little good things that I was able to pick up with a little detail that as soon as you see it, you will totally understand why I chose. All right, and then getting to the last two pieces that I added, two, not four. I always do that, I don't know why. So the last two pieces that I added are actually, one is a completely new fashion house for me, but as soon as you see it, you'll know that I was definitely eyeing this piece. And I won't keep you waiting for too long, and that is from Salvatore Ferragamo, and it is their absolutely stunning belt. I have said before how I wanted to add a reversible belt into my collection, like a camel and a black reversible belt, because when I travel, I don't want to have to pack so many belts to take with me. I wanted something that was very subtle on the buckle as well. Sometimes I feel like when we have a little bit of logo on the buckle and logo on the bag and logo on something else, it's just too overwhelming. So I wanted to find a buckle that was very subtle, and I've previously mentioned how I felt that Salvatore Ferragamo definitely gave that vibe with their buckle. And then, as I mentioned, this one is the one with the black and the caramel color combination. So I'm very happy that I was able to add this one into my collection. I feel like it's gonna go great with jeans, or it's also a great width in order to pair it on top of blazers and dresses and kind of use it to cinch in a certain piece. So I'm really happy that I was actually able to find this one in the boutique, you guys. And then last but not least, I did add this one while in Paris, and as you can see, it is a piece from Celine. So without further ado, I opted on getting the cute little Celine pouch. I am so obsessed with this. You guys know I'm a total like crazy pouch lady, and I know I don't need any more, but then again, I always find a way to add one into my collection, and this one definitely needed to make it in there. I feel like she is so subtle, but at the same time, so cute. I love that it says Celine right across. I love having like pouches into my bag that I get excited about using. Let me know if you feel the same. Same thing goes for my wallets. I just like to have like either a pop of color or a nice little design on the pouch that is just something fun to add inside of my handbag. This one does have a little key holder here for you to put your keys. I will not be using this to carry my keys whatsoever. I'm thinking more of like a little small wallet, or even putting a couple of like lipsticks and like easy to grab things that I normally carry on my other pouches. But I just think it's so cute. It also goes so well with another piece that I picked up from Celine. However, you guys will need to wait on that one. As I said, I want to do a full dedicated video for that piece. All right, you guys, so there we have it. That was my Europe luxury haul. I was so excited to come back and film this video and share with you guys. I got so many messages on Instagram, so I'm just so grateful to have this community in order to share these things that I really enjoy with you guys and that you all feel the same about. It's not about the price point. It's not about the luxury aspect of it. It's just pieces that we really enjoy and that we look forward to sharing with one another, talking about, finding out if it's worth it, if it's not worth it. I mean, I feel, and I've said it before, that we all work very hard to add these pieces into our collection. So not only do I want to be honest with you guys when I do my reviews, but at the same time, I feel like when we have the opportunity to finally add them into our collections, we're so happy about. So it's just really nice to be able to share that joy with you all as well. Let me know which piece out of the whole haul you guys enjoyed most. Of course, I will be doing some styling photos and some probably... Hi. Can you hear me out there? Oh no, that's the one I told you. Anyways, let me know down below which piece you guys like the most. I was totally so grateful and so happy that I was able to add these and that I was able to get them at a little bit of a lower price point. As I mentioned, I knew I wanted to take advantage of the fact that the euro was a little bit low and the VAT refund that we get on top of these pieces already. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, as I will be working on that giveaway for you guys soon enough. As always, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to watch today, and I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye, everyone.